This meeting is being recorded.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Berti Yustiani. My student number 06032682428023. And you?
Uh, my name my name is Dayual Manazir and my student number is 03051282126046. I am a student at Sriwijaya University.
Okay, thank you, Dayu. Today, we will discuss the mining operations of the Comstock lot and the challenges faced by miners there. Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am. Let's begin.
What was the main problem faced by miners in the Comstock log?
The main problem was water flooding into the mine working that made mining operation going hardly.
Why was this problem especially serious in the Comstock lot compared to the others?
It was more serious because the water was hot and its temperature as high as 64 degrees Celsius in some area.
What does the presence of such hot water indicate from a geological perspective?
It indicates that there was still a large mass of hot igneous rock beneath the Comstock lode, which might have been responsible for further mineralization.
How deep could the miners go before the heat and water became unbearable?
They could only mine down to about the 1,000-meter level before the near scalding water made further descent impossible.
How harm did the miners face because of the hot water?
Many miners did falling into the hot water and overreaction caused by the extremely high temperature inside the mine galleries.
Okay, how many miners died during the 20 months period ending in May 1877?
A total of the 53 miners lost their lives during that 22-month period.
What solution was proposed to deal with the flooding and heat?
The mining company decided to dig a long tunnel to help drain and ventilate the upper parts of the mine.
What was this tunnel called?
It was called the Sutro Tunnel.
How long was the Sutra Tunnel planned to be?
It was planned to be 6 kilometers long.
What were the purpose of building the Sutra Tunnel?
The tunnel was built to drain out the hot water and to provide ventilation, which would make working conditions in the upper mine safer and cooler.
How would you describe the construction process of the Sutra Tunnel?
Uh, the construction the construction process was extremely hard and took many years to complete, involving great physical effort and determination.
What were what were the difficulties faced by the builders of the tunnel?
Uh, they they en- they encountered many physical obstacles such as took rock information and also suffered from financial chaos that nearly stopped the project several times.
Despite these hardships, how is the completion of the tunnel regarded today?
It's considered legendary because of the perseverance and engineering skill involved in overcoming all overcoming all the challenges.
What major engineering project is the building of the Sutra Tunnel compared to?
It's compared to the construction of the first transcontinental railways across the United States.
Okay, why do you think the story of the Sutra Tunnel is remembered as heroic?
Because it represents human courage, persistence, and innovation in facing extreme natural and technical challenges.
Excellent answer, my student. From our discussion, we can see that the Comstock lot wasn't just about mining for minerals, but it was also a story of human endurance and engineering triumph.
Absolute, absolute correct. It's fascinating how determination and creativity helped overcome dangerous conditions.
Okay, thank you,
Thank,
Dayu.
thank you, ma'am.